students, in this video we will discuss about meaning, definition and type of debentures. So first of all, what is the meaning of debenture? Debenture is a certificate issued by the company under its common seal as acknowledgement of debts, taken by the company. So debenture is a certificate which contains the terms and condition of issue of debentures and terms and conditions of repayment of principal sum with interest. Now, what is the definition of debentures according to Company Act? According to the section 2 of Company Act 2013, debenture includes debenture stock, bonds or any other securities which constituting a charge on the assets of the company or not. So on the base of meaning and definition, what are the features of debentures? Debenture is a certificate. First of all, it is issued under the common seal of the company. It contains the terms and conditions of repayment of loan. The rate of interest is mentioned in the debentures. Time when the debentures will redeem, it is also mentioned in the certificate. So these are some features of debentures. Now, what are the types of debentures? First of all, convertible debentures. Convertible debentures are those debentures which can be converted into equity shares within the specified time, and non-convertible debentures are those debentures which cannot be converted into shares. Next, redeemable and non-redeemable debentures. Redeemable debentures are those debentures which are to be redeemed within the lifetime of the company, and non-redeemable debentures are those debentures which cannot be redeemed within the lifetime of the company. The principal amount and the principal amount will be paid after the winding up of the company. Generally, these type of debentures are not issued in India. Only redeemable debentures are issued in India. Usually, company can issue debentures for less than 10 years, not more than 10 years. If a company is engaged in infrastructure business, then only company can issue debentures for more than 10 years, but not more than 30 years. Secured and unsecured debentures. If any assets is mortgaged against the debentures, then these type of debentures are called secured debentures. And if no any asset or security is mortgaged against the debentures, then these type of debentures are known as unsecured debentures. If debenture is secured by a particular assets, this is called a fixed charge. If debentures are secured on all the assets of the company, then it is called floating charge. Next one is registered and bearer debentures. Registered and bearer debentures. If the name of the holders of debentures is written in the register of the company, then the debenture is known as registered debentures, and interest is paid to the person whose name is specified in the register of the debentures. Bearer debentures. the holder of such debentures is not written in the register of the debentures. The name and address of the debenture holder is not written in the register of company, then such type of debentures are known as bearer debentures. These type of debentures can be transferred very easily just by transferring, just by delivery. So these are very unsafe. A coupon is also issued with these type of debentures. The person who will produce the coupon, he will get the interest and he will get the principal amount. So these are the 8 types of debentures. Now, what is the difference between equity share and debentures?